Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the different water hygiene services we offer. At Jasun, we specialise in air and water hygiene services, and today I'd like to focus on water. Our range of professional services cover all aspects of water hygiene, including Legionella risk assessment, to identify and assess the sources of risk, creating a written scheme of control, WSOC, a schedule to prevent or control those risks, for example, temperature monitoring, water sampling, outlet shower head descaling, water tank inspection and chlorination, calorifiers or water heaters, acid descaling and disinfection, closed system analysis, and pipework amendments. Our in-house teams are highly trained and dedicated to giving you the cleanest and safest water possible.